up, everybody? Welcome to... I'm literally gonna cut myself with that thing. What is up, everybody? And welcome to another episode of Dave Steals the Show. Guys, today I am super excited because today my Galaxy Note 9 arrived. I have not opened it up yet. Of course, I'm waiting to share this moment with you guys. By the way, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you know when these videos drop. I try to do it around Sunday, but this week I'm gonna drop it early so you guys can see this phone and decide whether or not you think it's for you and whether or not you should pick one up for yourselves, all right? So, without further ado, the Galaxy Note 9, I picked it up in the 512 gig variant. That's the one that comes with 8 gig of RAM. It was $1,249. Ow, that hurt a lot. I had to sell every phone in my inventory almost so that I could afford this phone. But I did want to have it in my hands and unbox it for you guys. I got the ocean blue with the yellow pen. I'm really excited. It looked beautiful. I was really torn between the lavender purple and the ocean blue, but I went with the ocean blue. Will I regret it? Maybe. We're about to find out, so let's get in here and let's do this. First, we're gonna need this, so we can cut this open. I'm gonna try not to take my eye out with this, so let's see what happens here. All right, so let's see what this has in here. Typical stuff. When I pre-ordered the phone, I had some options that came as a free gift, and so I chose the noise canceling AKG headphones, and so it looks like they included that in the box also. And the first thing I see when I open up this box is the yellow pen. Show this to you guys just like that. Look how nice that is. The one thing I didn't like, and I think I had mentioned it in another video, is that I didn't like the fact that the lavender purple phone came with a matching pen. I wish they would have done like a different color pen with each phone, something that matched and looked good, but they didn't. So the headphones look awesome. I'll probably do a separate review on these things all by themselves. I have a set of noise canceling headphones. They're the Bose QC and they're incredible, so it'll be interesting to see how those stack up to this set here. But I'm happy they included this. And you know what, for $1,249 they should include something, for crying out loud. Am I right? Am I right? Alright, so I'm gonna put the headphones on the side for a little bit because this is not the star of the show today. Today the star of the show is this beautiful Galaxy Note 9 that we are about to unbox. And without further ado, let's get into this phone. Oh, I thought the phone was going to be the first thing on top. Obviously, they decided to put their typical paperwork on top. I don't want to see this. I want to see the phone. Oh, there it is. Oh, goodness. This feels good in the hand. Look at that blue. That is actually a really beautiful shade of blue. And I'm gonna take all this crap off, but first I'm gonna put this aside so we can see what else is in the box. You've got your fast charger brick. You've got your USB-A to USB-C adapter. You have your AKG tuned headphones. You've got your charging cable. You've got an extra set of earbuds for your headphones. And the tip remover for the pen. And I think that's all that's in here. Alright, so I'm going to put that aside. And let's take a further look at this phone. Wow, it is beautiful. I'm going to remove the plastic. This is my favorite part, by the way. Oh yeah, I love when it still has no fingerprints on it, right? I'm gonna take the front off. Oh. Now for comparison, because I sold off a few of my other phones so I could pick this one up, I've been using an iPhone 5 in the meantime, and I have it here, and if you compare the sizes of these phones. I mean, it is just, I don't know if you can tell, but it is so crazy how far phones have come and how big they've gotten over the years. So this is beautiful. Look at this. Now the fingerprints are gonna start getting on this thing, but I'm gonna turn this on. Let's see if it has some juice. It does. I'm going to be doing a full review. It's going to take like a week or two before I do the full review. I'm going to put it through its paces. Today is basically just the unboxing, show you what was in the box, show you this beautiful shade of blue. Now there's another variant which is $999. It comes with 6 gig of RAM instead of 8 gig of RAM, and it comes with 128 gig of storage. So that's another option if you don't feel you need so much. It also has, wow, it's talking to me. It also has a removable SD card slot, so you can add more storage to it. So if you want to go with the $999 phone, you can still add more storage via that SD card slot. So I'm going to take a few minutes to set this phone up and get it ready, and then give you my first impressions. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. And I can tell you the phone is beautiful. I'm sure many of you knew that already. If you know anything about Samsung, you know they make some of the best displays in the market right now. Let me show you the S Pen so you could see just how beautiful that is. So when you first pull it out, there's like a gold section. Before you get to the yellow, there's a gold. And so the tip is blue, the next section is gold, and then as you continue to pull it out, it goes to the yellow piece. Now this S Pen, from what I understand, is Bluetooth. It controls the camera, it controls your music, it controls presentations that you're making going back and forth. I'm going to test all of that and let you know how it works. As of right now, I'm just going to start playing with this phone. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like, how beautiful it is. The fingerprint scanner, they moved it. They didn't move it as much as I would have liked, but they did move it so it's in a better location. Dual cameras on the back. You've all seen this camera already. It's on the S9 and the S9 Plus, so I'm going to kind of compare it to the Google Pixel 2 XL, which is to me the king still in the marketplace, and I'll let you guys know how those pictures compare. And as I mentioned, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can see when these videos drop. I'm gonna put a video out next week telling you what I think after a week of use, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next episode.